So far, it's all making sense. You see the groove here, and of course, it's going to go in the back there. Right here, this stud will be going in here, and of course, you see the holes here, and these screws will be going there. So, nothing to it. It would all fit perfectly. No gaps. Very nice. Let's check the back. Okay, that's what you want to see. Okay, so let's get those B parts and just secure that top part there. And just to let you know, you have to go inside with those B's here, and you screw them in. And see, turn it, lock it, and you should be fine. So we did all 4. Good job. Now they want me to take the H screws, and there's only 2 of them. And we're going to, I guess, what are we going to secure? I don't get it. Okay, guys. See the holes here? That's where the H screws are going. I guess they expect you to just pin it, because there's no other way for those screws. They just go in these holes and they penetrate the wood. I just made sure that all this was correct. So you're actually screwing them into this wood. There are no holes. So I guess it makes sense. So let's get to it. Yeah, guys, see, for this step, you see the screws are going in the back where part 13 is, okay? But when you look inside, there you see the holes here, but there's nothing else for the screw to penetrate. So I guess they want you to secure this by penetrating through the wood. But the screws, this is so thick, the screws won't be penetrating through here. It just better secures it. So I had to get the drill for that, because there's no, unless this is a design flaw, I doubt it, but I'll just use my drill. Yeah, guys, I don't know what you're gonna do if you don't have a drill for this part. Well, that's how they wanted it. Fine, it's in there. And I had to use the impact because my regular drill was too big to get in this space. So maybe when you're doing it, you might not want to put this top part on first, because this will be in your way. So just to give you a tip. All right. Part 11, step 11, sorry. We're getting 8 of these. I don't know what you call them, but and we're gonna, I guess we put them in the drawers. Looks like we put the G parts in the drawers here. So, so I don't know, but it looks like it might want you to put the drawer in first and then put those parts in. Let's see what we can do. So part G stops the drawer from coming all the way out, so that's good. I'll just repeat the steps. So my advice is put them in a little bit, you know, I don't know if you can see the rails or the part F, but part G is put in so I guess it'll make contact with part F, so the drawer won't come out all the way. So you can just put them in maybe a fourth of the way and then put in part G. Okay, step 12, we'll just add parts I to the corners of the back. I really don't, let's do it. That's what they want, that's what they're gonna get. Okay, step 12 was kind of confusing, but I guess you put part I in like that, and then you screw them in. That's what it looks like to me. And they kind of showed it down here, so maybe this is so this piece will have a little more support. So again, guys, I just use my drill, my impact, and drilled it in like that. You know, I want to see something though, because I'm concerned. Hold on. Let's look. Let's see what we got going on here as far as that goes. I guess it doesn't, hold on, guys, 1 second. I don't know. Let's see. No, it didn't penetrate anything, so I guess that's correct. Okay. Okay, guys, I got them in. All right. So step 13, which is the last step. Yeah, that's about, I guess, hooking this up to a wall in the bathroom. I guess any wall for that matter, but I won't be doing it. Or should I? Well, this is really for the wife, so I guess that's up to her, but I don't mind doing it. We'll see. Turned out really well. Won't be using that wall attachment after all. Unnecessary. Well, looks good. You guys take care. Bye.